Dearly beloved, we are literally days away from starting the Create and Launch Your Flagship training that runs from January 25th until May 2nd, where you're going to actually design, market, and fill up and deliver your group coaching program, your group course. It's going to be delivered live during this actual training. And I just want to make this short video and audio so you can decide, is this for you or not for you? Because I only want it to be for you. If it is for you, I don't want you to join and be like, that wasn't for me. That was a ripoff. Wow. I want you to join because this is the right thing for you. And this is the exact next thing you need. So listen to this. This is for you. If you did my signature workshop training last year and you're now ready for the next step, this is like the sequel to the signature workshop training where you tour your free 60-minute workshop and then you can sell people into more of a 4 or 5 week group coaching program that is the next steps on the journey up the mountain with you. If you offer one-to-one coaching and you have a bunch of people that can't afford your one-to-one coaching, then you need a group coaching program, and all those people that want to work with you but can't work with you because of maybe the prices, you pile them all together and you do a group version of what you do in coaching sessions. If you already have a group coaching program, but you know it could be way better than it is, this is your opportunity to upgrade. What I do at Magic Media is I help you turn your life's work into a work of art. So if you want to make it more beautiful, more engaging, more awesome, then this is going to be the program that's going to help you up level to the next stage. If you have a group coaching program, but you have a hard time filling it up, this is going to support you to market it so you can improve it and you can come up with better, more effective, efficient marketing strategies that help you make more sales than what you've done historically. If you have a membership subscription already, having a group coaching program like the one that you're going to design in this particular training is only going to increase the value of your program that you're offering right now or of your membership that you're offering. So, for example, Tad Hargrave, he has a quarterly semester where he has a very specific track and program that he runs that happens every quarter. That increases the number of people that join his membership during those periods. That increases the value that they receive, and it increases the abundance in his bank account. I do the exact same thing at Magic Media with my Magic Mind. You can pay $247 and get access to everything, including this training and all my other trainings that I do. Or you can just pay the $1,000 outright. And I do have, in case you didn't hear the secret, an honor system option where you pay $300 plus a percentage of your revenue that you generate through this program during the actual training. So there's options. I've made it as affordable as I possibly can. There's actually a video somewhere on my YouTube channel about the honor system option and experiment that I'm doing here. So is the flagship training for you or not? Only you can decide. But if you don't have a group coaching program and you are a creator, you are a coach, you need one. Last year, I generated over $120,000 of extra income without a whole lot of strategy behind. This year, I'm like tripling down on coaching programs and offering way more paid workshops because without really meaning to do what I did last year, it was a really great spike in my revenue. And so this year I'm going to be doing a whole lot more. So if you want to come teach more in 2024, let's go through this process together. There's a beautiful, intimate community space that you will be a part of for all the people going through it. I'm going to be giving you all of the templates I possibly can. Email templates, marketing templates, landing page templates, all the templates, so that makes your process as easy as possible to just like bring your own words down to the page and then put them up on the website. And you'll get feedback, lots and lots of feedback, lots and lots of coaching, lots and lots of support. I am present in the community space during this whole thing. I believe there's 12 or 13 live events over the course of the journey from January 25th until May 2nd when it ends. And you're going to make money. You're going to deliver something awesome. You're going to design it. You're going to improve it. And you're going to be able to offer it again and again and again. The program that you're going to be creating for this is going to be something that you may want to offer quarterly, biannually, or at the very least annually. It's going to be something you keep coming back to as a next step on the journey that people can take when they go through your signature workshop, which hopefully you are touring a shitload this year. Pardon my language. I'm just getting excited here. So check it out, magicmedia.com/flagship-training, MAJIK media.com/flagship-training. Check it out. If I haven't given you enough good reasons to sign up, there'll be more reasons on that page. I hope to see you in the program. If you know somebody that needs a program, then pass this video on to them and share the page with them too. Thank you for tuning in, and thanks for staying awesome.